So in today's video we discuss how to create a downwards arrow with the tip leftwards symbol in our computer. So you must open your Microsoft Word, MS Office Word in your Windows computer, and after that you can try for creating this symbol. So this is the symbol you can see we have created. This you can see that this is a arrow pointing downwards, and you can see also the tip towards leftwards, that is a downward arrow with the tip leftwards. Okay, I'll show you how to create this symbol. For this you must go to, after opening your Microsoft Word, you can go to your computer keyboard, and this is the number lock. You must press this number lock. Now we have enabled the number lock. Now you can see this is the alt key on the left side of the space bar. You must press and hold this alt key. You do not remove your finger from this alt key. At the same time you must type here 8626. After typing 8626 you can release your finger from this alt key, and you can see that the symbol have been added. For more videos you can subscribe Engineers Online. Thank you.